So here I am, out. There's one of my projects, my 2000 4x4 K2500 truck. There's my little helper right there, my granddaughter, Olivia. She's such a sweet little girl, and she helps Papa out all the time. Yeah. So I'm out at my daughter and son-in-law's place, and they've kindly let me bring my projects out here to work on. And here's one of my projects. I've had this bike for, let's see, I bought it in 2011, and I've managed to keep it, you know, out of the weather, stored for quite a while I was working on it. It never did run right. I mean, it ran so you could drive it a little bit, but it never did run right. It's a 1982 GSG 650 Suzuki, and it has a drive shaft. It's a very nice bike to ride, and anyway, the best part about it is its original mileage on it is 10,251 miles. I have all the receipts on stuff that's ever been done on this bike. And this bike has had the carburetors rebuilt 6 different times. I mean, come on. You know, obviously it wasn't taken care of good, because you shouldn't have to do that all the time. It came with backpack sissy bar and a back luggage rack, which the man told me when I bought it, originally the guy before him was trying to get it ready for his wife. It even has a fairing down here that it came with. It's a Vetter front fairing, a windjammer. And it was on the bike. I took it off. I like the wind in my face. But the last time it was running was 2015, so I had to get new battery for it. I had to get carburetor rebuilt kits. I had to adjust the valves on it. Clutch had to be adjusted, everything. And the tank was messed up, so I repainted the tank, and it's hard to get the right paint. This is a lot brighter than these, but they say that the plastics on them always are darker. You can look at pictures of this bike in magazines or whatever, and the sides, the plastics and the fenders and everything are always darker. But I worked on it, had the carbs off I don't know how many times, and it was never right. And now, watch this. Hold on a minute while I hit the button. You know, bike's almost all original, 100%, except for this headlight, which I bought off of eBay. My ex-fiance took the original stuff when we split up, and who knows what she did with it. She took all my stuff. Yeah, so, but anyway, let me try to crank it again.
would be an okay summer job.
Yeah, that easy. And this bike was made to turn a lot of RPMs, as all the old 4-cylinder air-cooled bikes were. Me, myself, I love the 2-strokes better. I've always loved 2-strokes better and had 2-strokes most of the time. I guarantee you my Suzuki 500 Titan was a lot faster than this. Yeah, there's my granddaughter. Smile, Olivia. You out here to help Papa? Good. Okay, guys. Well, if you like the video, hit a like, and it would be greatly appreciated. Doesn't cost you anything, and it helps me out a lot.
I'm gonna go and get my phone.
Okay, honey. And maybe one day I'll be able to do something, make some money. And if not, that's okay too. If you don't like the video, then you don't have to like it. If you do like these kind of stuff, hit like and subscribe, and every video that I make, I will make sure you guys get a good look at it. Well, have a nice day, and God bless. Bye.